Hi, everybody. Happy Monday. This is week 7. And hey, guys, you may have heard that this week we're just continuing to work on something I assigned last week. And really, the focus is for late work. All late work's due next Monday, absolute last day, because I have to post grades the very next day. So make sure you're looking at both your third quarter and your fourth quarter sections in Canvas and in Synergy. Make sure your grade is the way you like it. Do any makeup work, any zeros that you have, or anything missing. Anything you do from fourth quarter can only help your grade. So it's definitely worthwhile for some of you to get in there and work on those assignments you may not have done in the last little while. So make sure you check it out. Keep in contact with me. I'm having 2 meetings this week. One is Tuesday, tomorrow, May 12th, 11 a.m. And then the next one is Thursday, May 14th at 2 p.m. If you need help, please send me a remind text. A lot of you have been doing that, and I appreciate it. It's great to hear from you. You can also request a WebEx office hours meeting. Back to this project. Remember, the final thing I would like you to do is to create some kind of media project, something that's maybe a podcast, an interview, a book talk, a digital scene, a parody, music video, a song you could create based on your book, digital collage, a diorama, etc. I'm really open to all kinds of creative ways of showing what you've learned from reading your book, completing your novel grid, reading the articles that you've found, also doing the special effects sheets, both the image and language and the grammar one, and then doing your grid that set out some kind of potential essay project. So make sure that whatever you choose to do, that you show what you've learned. You don't have to include every single one of those things or every single thing you learned, but make sure I can see evidence that you are applying what you've learned about your novel in the project you do. Again, I'm looking for all kinds of creative outlets. Please use this time. For me, art is quite healing, and I hope you create something really cool and artistic and interesting. It'll help get your mind off the stressful world we live in, and hopefully it'll finish us out with some good stuff. Please contact me. Also wanted to mention, as far as your protest song performances, your other kinds of work you have done this year, I'm going to try to put all of it together somewhere. So let me know if you don't want me to share your protest song or your, any kind of project. I thought I'd put the hearts. I have some pictures of our hearts that we made at the beginning of the year. I'm just going to try to compile a few things. And then this final project, maybe we'll have a few that we can share. Like to have a place for you to display that. So anyway, take care of yourselves. Let me know what you need. Contact me anytime. And I missed you guys already. Make sure to come by and see me next year, but let's finish strongly here in the end. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.